Good afternoon, everybody. How are you doing? Dane Hewling here to talk to you about your final project for Reading Academy 2020. If you are watching this video, congratulations. You have just worked your way through modules 1, 2, and 3, gathering along the way readings and samples that cover three major dimensions: the personal dimension, the social dimension, and the metacognitive dimension of reading apprenticeship. So, you might be wondering, what will we be doing for our final project this week? So for your final project, we decided to actually take you off of your computer to reduce your screen time and to provide more tactile final project. And so for this project, we're actually going to be building a waterfall foldable. Now, aside from being a really great way to engage students away from their computers, this is actually a really great fit for the kind of project that we're going to be doing today. Because what we are going to be doing, and I have written directions in the module to go along with this video, is we are going to be redesigning a lesson or a unit that we've taught in the past that is going to apply the different dimensions that we've covered over the course of this summer class. So you'll notice right here on our first page of our foldable, we're going to be describing or visualizing what our current lesson looks like, the way it's taught, what it covers, your experience with it, whatever it is. Your schema for your current lesson in its unedited form will go right here in this box. And you'll notice that the way this foldable works is that you're going to reveal three different levels of your new lesson. And those three levels are going to be aligned with our modules: personal dimension, social dimension, and metacognitive dimension. And what we're going to do is we're going to kind of peel back the layers on this lesson, and we're going to be adding some new strategies that will engage our students in the reading apprenticeship model. So, for example, when you complete the personal dimension, inside you'll see the 8 different strategies that are in our reading apprenticeship playbook for the personal dimension. Now, you've interacted with these before when you've been doing your Flipgrid pitches. And so what we're going to do is we're going to cherry pick 1 or 2 of these items to actually add on. It's kind of like we're dressing up our Barbie here. We're dressing up our original lesson with all of our different accessories to make them look fabulous. And so you're going to pick 1 or 2 of these that really spoke to you and that seemed like a good match. And you're going to visualize what this lesson, the original lesson, would look like using 1 or 2 of these new items. And you're going to repeat that for the playbook items for the social dimension, and you're going to repeat those for the playbook items for the metacognitive dimension. And so when you finish this project, what you're going to have is a very physical, tangible way of representing the different angles that you can consider when thinking about any given lesson. And so we wanted to give you something physical to walk away with for this final project. We didn't want to type up a document that might vanish into the wind. And so we decided to make a physical manipulative that you can maybe reference in the fall and maybe think about. You can walk yourself through this same thought process for any lesson in the future. And so you can stick this in your Reading for Understanding book as a bookmark in the future if you have this book. If not, hopefully you can get a copy in the fall. And so more detailed directions can be found in this module, but our get together on Friday, our final session for this module, will actually be kind of like a show and tell of these projects. And so we're going to be breaking out and we're going to be walking people through our work. And so be as creative as you like with these projects. As you can tell, we're not writing an essay. We are creating an interactive project. And so have fun with it. Make it meaningful for you. Pick a lesson that you're really interested in redesigning. And on Friday, we will share these out and celebrate our finishing of these 4 modules. So thanks, everybody, from myself and Erica, and have fun with this project. You have a whole week to work on it. Okay, bye, everybody.